is going to be about the topic of Venice, because as we were reading a book, the city of Venice came up, and I found that some of my students had never heard of it. And so I prepared some text, and I found some great videos that I want to share with them so that they can build their background knowledge, so when they encounter information about the city of Venice in the future, they'll have an idea of what is interesting about it. So to create a new activity, I'm going to start by entering a name, and I'm going to be calling this the Flooded City, Venice. And once I have created it, it gets automatically added to the bottom of my list, and I'll scroll down to it, and here it is. My first step is to choose an activity type for my first page. I'm going to be starting this activity with some text, video, and pictures. So I choose the reading comprehension activity. And I have a choice here. I could just put a video on. I could put just text on. I'm going to choose multimedia comprehension so that I can include all three. And because this is a more history and geography-based activity, I'm going to choose the ancient world theme. All right, I'm going to start by entering my text. I had typed up my text in Microsoft Word, and I'd saved it as a plain text document. So here it is, and I'll open that up. And I'm just going to copy the first two paragraphs here and paste it into my text edit tool. In the text edit tool, I can justify text. I can also bold important words and highlight words that I want students to pay attention to. Now, to add a picture, I'm going to go with a picture that I've chosen from Wikimedia Commons. And what I like about Wikimedia Commons is that it tells me the usage information for all of the images that are on the site. So I did a search for Venice, and I found this neat satellite image, which is a public domain image by NASA. I'm going to copy the image URL. And then once I get over back to Frolyc, I can link to that URL, copy and paste it in, and then that's the image that students will see when they get to that page. This is a NASA photo, so I'll put that with the picture. Being able to add images is so important to me because I think that ability to visualize really comes from having lots of input and seeing lots of different pictures. And so I like being able to choose different images to add to my text. I found a really nice little video over here on YouTube, and I had saved it to a playlist that I made. So I'm going to go to that playlist. And here it shows me the different playlists that I have. And this video gives a very nice introduction to Venice for students. Again, with the videos, I like to be able to give kids lots of visual images to build their background knowledge with. So I can add the URL there and a video caption. I'm going to call this Canals of Venice.